Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? Today, I'm going to share with you guys a pretty quick look at the new Cloth and Paper June sub box. This is only my second Cloth and Paper sub box, and I'm so excited about it. I did post a picture of it on my Instagram, and I asked you guys if maybe you guys would want to see a look at everything and my opinions. So here it is. Here's this video. I'm going to share with you guys everything that's in the box, and then I think I'm going to tell you guys what I think are like my favorite things from it too. I mean, besides the Oli Clip, because of course. But so here's my box. Don't want to talk your guys' ears off too much, so let's just get on into what's inside the June sub box. Alright, so here is the Cloth and Paper box. Just had to take the little sticker off because it had my address on it. So let's just open this on up. Obviously, I already opened it and looked through everything because you guys know I took the picture and put it on Instagram. So I've already looked at everything because I just couldn't wait. Here we are. So first things first, we get the little card that tells everything that is in the box, and then the back just describes everything. So there's that one. Even this is so pretty. I love even these little cards. Like I might actually put these in my planners too. Not even gonna lie. All right, so just opening everything up here. There is everything together in the box. I did get A5 6-hole punch size, but only the inserts in here are for the A5. The other stuff kind of separate, you know. So I'm just gonna take everything out of here and move the box. So I'm just gonna move my tea over so I don't spill it on all this new stuff. I think I'm just gonna start with like the smaller stuff that is up top and that we kind of already knew about, and then save the most exciting stuff for last. So I want to show the journaling cards. Let's get into this first. Alright, so we've got for the month of July, and I always like to keep the like frosted backing on these cards. I don't like taking it off. I just prefer it to be like this. I don't think this one's frosted. Actually, is this one frosted? Wait, this one's frosted. I don't feel that there's like a sticker to peel. I could be wrong, but I really think this is a frosted card and supposed to stay like that because I do not feel that it's got a backing on it. So there's that one, and then you have just the thicker journaling card as well, which I do like using in spots in my planner too. And then there is this little card. It kind of looks like a puzzle piece. That's so cute. There's a lot. Oh no, it says it's repeating. There are all of these moments you think you won't survive, and then you do, and then it just says that over and over again, but it looks like a puzzle piece. It's kind of cute. Like, and then the last little journaling card says just be in the moment. Our minds give us so much to consider, but sometimes being present is all we need to do. So pretty. So these are like the journaling decor cards there. Nice. So I'm going to show you first the Oli Clip. Alright, so this is the Oli Block and Cloth and Paper Oli Clip, and it is in the matte black, which on the little paper it says it's exclusive, so I think you can only get it in the box in general from Cloth and Paper, but I have a feeling you're not maybe going to be able to get it from Oli Block, like their Etsy shop. But this thing is gorgeous. And I know that they do have other matte colors that they're coming out with as well. Oli Block. Oh, it's sticky. Oli Block. So I think I'm going to have to pick up other ones because this one is so nice. They're definitely making them thinner now too. If you can see that, it's almost like paper thin, which is nice because it doesn't bulk up your planner. The material of it is just really nice. It's smooth, that matte texture. It's almost like the soft touch Starbucks cups. Like it matches those cups perfectly, honestly. I love how like the logos are imprinted in there too. Like they're like hard pressed in there instead of just like a painted stamp type thing on it. But these look so nice. The other side is completely blank, so you can fold it whichever way you want to. I kind of want to fold it that way only because it does seem like this side is actually flatter. If you can kind of see it. Maybe not, but this side is actually flatter, the part that has the logos on it. So, but I personally like the logos showing, so I'm gonna have to decide which way I want to flip that closed. But obviously love the Oli Clip, and I'm so happy I'm gonna have two of them because I got two different size boxes. Then let's get into the mini happy planner stuff because I'm actually super excited for these two, only because I didn't have anything for my stickers from Cloth and Paper, so I think that's what I'm gonna do with these. I think that's a cat hair. I'm hoping that's a cat hair. Okay, but so let's look at the discs first. I love the packaging of the discs. I don't know why. It just looks so satisfying with like the clear inside. It just says Cloth and Paper plastic discs in clear, 1.5 inches, 8 discs per pack. Just regular discs. Oh, I just really like these. I don't know, because I usually keep my stickers together in disc bound like collections, so I love these. Very nice. I've actually been wanting these from Cloth Paper for a while. I'm not sure if these are the same exact ones that they still have and they've always had on their website. Someone can let me know if they look the same. I'll have to double check. So there's those, and then with the discs come the cover for the mini happy planner. Let me take this out of the paper so we can see front and back. Ooh, these are so nice. Okay, so this is the front. Front has that little like design on it. It just says cloth and paper, and it says M space. A measure of space that is equal to the square of the type body. The larger the type size, the larger the M size. Space. Okay. But I love this. They're so sturdy. Like, they're really thick. Do these have a protective film on it? I can't really tell. But I guess that scratch, thank goodness, was on the paper. Like the little bag. This one, I thought I saw it. Oh yeah, this definitely does. So maybe the card does too, and I just couldn't get it. Wow, it says crystal clear. So if oh no, the back kind of has like a texture to it though. It does have a line of it on it, like a little scratchy a little bit. But so you get the front and the back, and then you get the clear discs as well. So love that. For the mini happy planner size. All right, so there's those. Since we're on the topic of the HP mini, let's look at the inserts that come with that. I love that they also included inserts so that you can set up an entire little book with everything that they put in this box. So it's the mini HP size, duo notes, graph, and blank inserts. Love it. So you can use this for so many different things. But yeah, just the same on front and back. I love their paper quality. It's not like super thin, but it's also not too thickness. I just love everything about these. These are going to be great for note taking, or even to use as dailies would be really nice. So I love that all of that comes together, and then you can just make the planner with everything there. Alright, so then one of my favorite parts of this box though are these stickers, and even just looking at these when I first opened the box, I didn't realize how special these are. I'm so excited about these, and I cannot wait for them to release all their colors, which I'm sure they're going to do. These are so nice. So this kind of shifted in there a little bit. So these are minimal shape sticker sets. So they're transparent, and I didn't realize exactly what they look like. I am so in love with these. So it's the minimal shape sticker set. So I'm just going to move them out so we can look at them. Alright, because it's listed on the back here exactly what is included in this set. So it's shapes to scale. This is the actual size of the stickers that's included. You get 114 small, 62 medium, 27 of these large sizes. It's a set of 5, which includes 1 full sheet in each size of just that one size, and then 2 full sheets with mixed sizes. So let's go through these. This is actually probably my favorite thing, but actually I love everything about this box. I just like wasn't expecting the full beautiness of these. Beautiness. That's a mixed sheet right here. I just love how they actually put the label on the clear part too. It is completely clear with just a little bit of the blue coloring to it. Does it tell the color? Venice. So transparent, 5 of 5. This is the 42 sticker mix. Love that. So there should be 2 sheets of this, right? Yes. So we got 2 sheets of the mixture. And then here's 1 sheet of the large size. Love that. And then we have the medium and small size also. So I'll just move those over. There's the medium and the small size, just so you can kind of see them together. But I mean, you can see to the scale there too. Love these stickers. Like I said, I cannot wait for them to release these in like every single color. I love everything they did about it, even the packaging, the way they laid out on a full plastic sheet like that and completely transparent. Just love. I honestly think these just might be my favorite thing. This and obviously the Oli Clip. I feel like that's a given, obviously the Oli Clip, but these are up there right next to it. Alright, so then let's go with the inserts, because I'm actually super excited to add these into my A5. So these are just half sheet inserts, half page graph notes, which I love. I'm such a sucker for half note or half page inserts. Love this. I'm pretty sure they're just double-sided. Yeah, they're just double-sided graph notes, but I love that they're half sheets. So got those. And then here is some of the the horizontal weeklies. I'm so excited to try these out as well. So I love they included both months too. So actually I should go like this, huh? So we get July and August. Again, I got mine obviously in A5, hole punched. Let's take a look at these. Oh, I love that. So there's the front of each month. This is July, August, and it does have the number of the month down here. And on the top, it also says the month. So it just says July, got the J for July, cloth and paper over here, and the number of the month on the sides. And obviously the same for August. But I just want to open July for now. I'm trying not to get my red nail polish smeared onto anything. I think we saw what these look like on their Instagram, but these are even nicer in person. So they're just horizontal. I love that they have the graph on the side, and these little boxes are nice down here. And then I do like that they included the full month, but I like that it's like mainly the week, and it's got the work week on the left hand side, which is really nice too. I love these so much. Let me see if maybe the last page looks any different with the last pages of the week. It does. So with the last page of the week, it is just a graph note page. This is obviously just the size page, but so you get just a graph sheet on the back. Love, love, love. I love how much space there is to write also. Those are very nice. Definitely gonna put these in my A5. Oh, and the nice thing about the monthlies is that the card says we will continue to include one monthly set of dated horizontal weekly inserts in our upcoming boxes to help you finish the year strong. So every month with the boxes, you'll be getting horizontal weeklies. That's really nice. All right, but so last but not least, obviously for this box are the dashboards, which oh my gosh, I'm like at a loss for words. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh, and then on the little card that explains like what's in the box, it says what's black, white, and bold all over. Our anniversary edition dashboards are unmistakably cloth and paper. Elegant aesthete and dashboard encompasses the beauty and luxury of CMP is known for, while the sleek marble dashboard is a timeless statement piece. Love, 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 love. They look like in the paper though, in the plastic, that they are different textured papers. Ooh, I don't want to get it dirty. Slightly glossy, but I think it's just because of the photo on there. Oh my gosh, I love aesthete. Noun, someone with deep sensitivity to the beauty of art or nature. It just says volume 6 and cloth and paper. These are gorgeous. And I love that their dashboards are a really nice thickness of cardstock. Love, 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 love. So that is everything from this box. I cannot wait to start adding this stuff into my planner. So happy with this box. So glad I finally signed up to be a part of their sub boxes and everything. All right, so that is everything that I got in my cloth and paper June sub box for 2021. Pretty sure it's their 6th anniversary box. So excited that I got it. I love everything in it, but especially the stickers, obviously the Oli Clip. And I'm so glad because I actually got this in 2 sizes. That was just such a good decision on my part. So I did get it in the A5, which is here, and then I also got it in A6 because I just had to. That is everything for the box. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you choose to subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy hauls, planner stuff, all that goodness right here. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can alert you when I post new videos, even though I try to get new videos up at least every Sunday for you guys. So yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.